Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy and this is my Patreon account, which is patreon.com/nailroomtalk. That's where you could go and support me if need or if you want to. And thanks for watching this video. So today I'm going to be decorating my dresser, 6 drawers, and it has 2 knobs per drawer. And just to show you what the knobs look like, they're just real basic black knobs. Some of them sometimes it's are always coming off and I have to screw them back on the inside. I've had this dresser for a very long time, so it's time to spruce it up. I'll be using my husband's whatever the heck that tool is, and I'm going to go on the inside of the drawer and help turn and unscrew on the outside. And I went ahead and did that for all the knobs. Very tedious, but it had to get done. And the process, I normally have my husband help me, but I'm like, by the time he gets home and me videotaping this in the dark and the light, I just went ahead and did it myself. Yes, I was in my PJs, my bottoms, and and so I went ahead and did all of them. He has one himself, a dresser, but I told him just let me do the accent paper on just one drawer, and he goes no, he really liked it. He wanted it on all the drawers with the knobs. By the way, we were all shocked, right? But anyways, I came home to do it, but I am shy of, like, I literally don't have the bottom dresser. I have enough material to do all the ones but the bottom. So I'm gonna wait and probably order some more glitter paper, which by the way I got it from AliExpress. These knobs also I got from AliExpress. I love these crystal knobs. I really got them just to show you the size of the regular knobs. They're a little bit smaller, but they're so pretty. But I got them really to put on my nail table. And this is the glitter paper I also got from AliExpress. And I love the lines are inside because I cannot cut a straight line for any reasons. Even if I drew it, I couldn't cut it. So it was really helpful to be able to follow the lines on the back of it. And normally, you know, any normal people, of course, would measure the drawer and then cut it out on the paper. But nope, not me. I went ahead and did it this way. But the paper was kind of a little bit slanted when I was putting it, and I cut it straight, so I know it's the way the paper came. But so when you cut it, you have to cut it a little bit bigger. I know you're gonna be wasting paper, but I'll show you what I end up doing with a piece of the strip, which you could save for something else, by the way, but I just happen to save one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the glitter paper, and it's sticky adhesive on the back. You just gotta peel it, which I'll show you right now how to do that. I had to use like an X-Acto knife because with my regular nail it was taking forever. This one kind of went a little bit easier because it was a piece showing, and I will show you how you know, the edging right there. You know, it's best to cut it with an X-Acto knife, which I eventually did it later on, but I had to take the whole drawer out in order to cut it, and it worked out a lot better than cutting it with scissors. So that's just another note to self. But you know, for me, I kind of find any way or to make something. I try my best to make stuff as easy as possible. That sometimes I end up screwing it up because it's like, no, you should have not bypassed this step. But it came out pretty good. I liked it. Even my husband liked it. And let me tell you something, he critiqued everything. I don't care what it is, he'll critique you. He'll find one thing to critique you on. He doesn't care. So I was very happy when he said he really liked it. And also with the knobs that you could see there, you could see how they look, the length of it, how when they protrude, and it's no different from the black one. Actually, they're really nice. And it had the screwdriver coming out it was a little piece of it showing on the inside. So I didn't take measurements for anything before I ordered. So this is just me trying to clean up the edges. Like I told you, it was best to do it with an X-Acto knife than the scissors because that's the headache you have. And this paper was easy to cut with the X-Acto knife. And so far I have, you know, the 3 done and how it looks. They look really pretty, and it glitters, guys. It really glitters. And then I'm working on the last one right here. And this drawer I have for all my crochet little covers or throws that my mom crocheted. She died in 2016, and she had made all these for the boys, so I saved them. And sometimes we do pull them out and use them. Not the blue or black one. That was just something I think was, yeah, that she gave the boys, but she didn't make them. So you can see right there how it protrudes right there. And then you could find a hole, and then I just pop it right there. Like I did nothing with measurements. I did nothing the proper way, but it came out so nice. And so I just helped screwing it in from that side and then turn it on the other side. So I'm kind of like turning on one side on the inside and on the other side. So this is my last drawer. You know, when I did the first row, the left and the right side, the first row, I was like, okay, it looks cute just like that, I'm done. Because I realized, oh my god, I have to cut all these and do the same process over for like what, 4 more drawers, and I'm like, I don't want to do this. I love to see stuff, you guys. I love renovation, but I don't like going through the process, and I also don't like doing the process, but I want to come home and it's done. I want to blink my eyes and it's done. So this was part of it. You know, I end up doing the whole thing myself. And again, when my husband said he wanted the whole dresser drawer done, I was like, you sure you just don't want an accent, just a top layer, since yours is like, you know, most likely the middle drawer? He's like, no, it looks really nice, do the whole thing for me, please. I was like, but I'll eventually do that. But see, look at the X-Acto knife. It's so much easier to do it with that than to try and find it with your nails. And like I said, make sure you cut it so for the bottom, I made it flush to the bottom of the drawer, so that the top part, that was, I don't have to empty out the whole dresser drawer. That was another thing that was annoying me. I had to put everything back nice and neat, and I'm OCD, so I had to focus on how I was putting everything back inside. But you see the piece that's showing up top, so that it's flush on the bottom of the drawer, and then I cut the crease, and look how easy it is. Look how easy that is with the X-Acto knife, and it was flush. I didn't have to worry about cleaning it up or anything. And that piece right there, look what I end up doing with it. That is so cute. So this dresser has a big mirror up top, and I was thinking of putting maybe the same little strip around the frame of the mirror. So I'm showing you here again how I could see, just in case you can see it in the last one, that you could see when I poke the screw through, you can see what's coming. I take the head of the screwdriver, whatever you call that little beautiful tool, and I push it in there, and help me to find and be able to just do it without, like, you know, anything else. So yeah, I was wondering if I should end up putting the strip over, just like a frame, the frame, and my husband said no, it was too much. I still don't know yet if I want to keep it like that, but let me know in a comment if you guys think that I should put the strip around the frame of the mirror. Not so this is my husband's dresser, his dresser drawer, and it has 6, and this is where I end up storing all the knobs, just in case one day, and I'm putting away the rest of the glitter paper, because I think I might do my nail table. I'm not sure yet. But this right here, I am going to keep it somewhere safe. And the knobs, I kept it in a drawer, because I do have a drawer. It's not a junk drawer because it is organized, but it has stuff in there, like I don't know where else to put it. So this is what it looks like when it's done. It's so pretty, you guys, and you're gonna see when it really sparkles how it looks. And there's some stuff that I want to still take off my dresser, so to make it look, you know, a little bit cleaner. But in the meantime, this is what I have. I've had this dresser, I think we've had this dresser forever. I have to ask my husband. I think we've had it at least since 2008. And look how ugly it was before. And look at the glitter, you guys. Even though, like, that's, you know, my little sparkle app, it really looks like that when you put the light on. You just don't see it without the sparkle app. You really don't. And those are the knobs up close. Again, everything's at AliExpress. And you could get them there. I just don't like putting the link, because it's something you could search up yourself. If you want to search up the knobs, just put crystal knobs. And if you want to search up the glitter paper, do glitter paper with with adhesive in the back, stuff like that. So make sure that that's the case when you order your stuff. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. And, you know, if you want to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell, hit it so that you could get updates or notification when my videos are out. I will be doing I want to do a shirt for my husband. It's with Kobe and Gigi, and you know, it's just, I'm gonna do it for him, just because this is still, you know, this is, I don't know, I still feel like something's, I can't even explain how I feel. I just feel sad. I just feel so bloody sad. I still can't handle this, you know. So, but anyways, guys, be kind, love one another, be nice, because you never know, you know, when, God forbid, bad things happen. So be nice to each other, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye now.